Good morning. This is Larry Richardson again, little workhorse, of course. Today we're going to continue on with the kitchen, of course, and we're going to start working on the cabinets here. And what I'm going to do is kills the inside of the cabinets. As you can see, the doors are already off of it. What we're going to do is refurbish the doors. Let me show you. Now for this home, this is not the right color for cabinets. Well, for this home, this cabinet. It's one of the big doors. Look how big, shiny, and red it is. It's a little dusty now, but wow. But look at it, look how shiny it is. What we're gonna do, we're gonna refurbish this, we're gonna take the paint off and all that stuff to it, but we'll get back to that on another segment. And that'll be another segment. I'll show you how to take the color off of that and show you how good it is now. That paint on there is A1. It ain't coming off. Oh well, it will come off, but you gotta work at it. Anyway, those cabinets, that was on these cabinets. The cabinet doors on this cabinet. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna clean everything off, get the cobwebs out, and then spray. Okay, now we're ready to do our cabinets. I've cleaned them out, brushed them down, and put tape around, or at least something, that paper around to, stop the overflow, but it's not even gonna go that far. And I got my machine ready, got my bucket of paint, was really its primer, because we haven't decided exactly what color he wants the cabinets, but at least we're gonna prime it and get it ready. I have my cloth up under there where I don't have to put paper, of course. I can go ahead and spread. And what we're gonna do, we're going to start the work. Let me go ahead and fix this right. Make sure this is, there we go. I'm start on this side. It gives you an idea of what this machine can do. I have to admit that I just bought it. I'm very good with the brush and the brush and roller, but I seem to have to try to keep perfecting this tool here, the sprayer. It's all right. It's mine. It won't be the last time I'll be able to use it. And the owner here, he'll be glad to let me keep on trying to use it because it is a faster and economical way. So, there you go. Get a better look from the back. Back. So I'm gonna take that paper down, take the newspaper down, take my brush, and go over the spots that I see that needs to be hit. And as you can see, even at the ceiling there where it was bare, now it has the kills on it. Once that dry, I'm gonna come back and hit it with a little semi-gloss, and there we have it. It looks better. Good morning. My name is the Little Workhorse, of course. Well, my name is Larry Richardson, the Little Workhorse, aka. And here on location still. And what I'm about to do now are the kitchen cabinets. Well, you've seen in one episode is that I sprayed or kills the inside and out of the cabinets in there, the dressers and all that, the bottom and the top. And you've seen that I have taken off the doors. So these, well, this is I'm gonna show you the doors. I think I've showed you the doors before, but I'll show you again. These are the doors to the cabinets. See, they're red. We don't want them red. What we're gonna do today is I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to strip down those doors and repaint them, and we'll see the outcome of that. But right now, I got an example right here. This is where this is part of the dresser. This is what goes right by the sink. It's just like a dummy dresser, you know what I mean. You know, don't have a drawer handle, but it looks like a drawer. But as you can see, it's red. It got a nice little coat of paint on it, nice little shiny red. It looks like it's oil based, but it's just regular paint. It's two of them. So this is one. This is the one that is still regular, I haven't done anything to. And then this is one that I've stripped down. Yeah, I showed you the kind of stripper that I did. But I went ahead and stripped it down. You can see that it was it had a primer on there, and that's the green stuff. That's what make it really stick. I need to get some of that. I think this kind of green primer works on tubs also. But for now, this was on the wood. It's in there. It's hard to get off. You really have to get the scraping. But we're not going to mind that. The only thing that I'll do next to this is sand it down to make it smoother, get all the rough edges off of it, and then repaint it. This is a stripper brand that I use. It is a clean strip stripper. It strips wood and epoxy, polyurethane, Mason, and all that good stuff. And This is what I use to strip that. Just, you need some gloves because it burns. It's strong and heavy. And I just put it on my wood, let it sit. They say let it sit for 15 minutes, but I just let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. It should start bubbling up. Strip it right on off, and I'm gonna show you. All right, you see the 3 elements that I'm using. I had to get my knee pads too. Got my scraper, a stripper, and a little towel. They say use a brush. I think I got a brush. Okay. What I did is I pulled my stripper into a bucket here, into my bucket. So it'll be easier access for it. Got myself a brush, this old brush. I just want to use something to apply it. I didn't put it on real heavy. I just dabbed it in there. Dabbed it in there and wiped it. Oh. Okay, hold up. One thing about it is that I got a little bit on here and it gets on my skin. Boy, does it burn. It burns. It burns. So I see I can't use this towel anymore. Ooh. It's just a little dab, just a little bitty dab. It burns. Woo! Like fire. I mean, really, like fire. So you really have to watch what you're doing with this stuff. Because when, I'm telling you, when it touches you, it burns. But as you can see, see what it's doing now? It's bubbling up. Bubbling up. What, it been maybe 2 minutes? Not even 2 minutes. Maybe a minute. While that's doing that, what I'm gonna do is show you. Start from the beginning of one. Let that one sit. That one sit. About here. Okay. See now, that's all clear. Take my screws and everything, put them in the jar so I won't lose them. Looks like I almost did there. Put that down. I'll come back over here, right there. What I want to do is get in my grooves real good, right up in here real good. Let that, make sure you get it up in there real good, because the grooves are harder to get. It's harder to take off in the grooves. Just watch yourself on getting this stuff on you. Like I said, it does burn. It gives you a good chemical burn if you're not careful. See how that just instantly started bubbling up? Look at that. Some good stuff. Strong. So now, see this one here, it's been sitting for a while. So what we're going to do now, we're going to commence the scraping. I'll just keep it tight on it. We're going to start scraping it. It's ready to be scraped. Look how easy that is. when I'm painting something like this, after I get it covered, I want to have my lines or my stroke to go one particular way. I want it to go one particular way. This way, all the way, or that way. All the way, once I got it covered. Once you have it covered and you got it like that, it dries better. Less streaks that you will see in there. And the streaks, that, I mean, once it dries, while you're painting, you can see streaks, but it's all going on one way. And once it dries, you don't see them. But if you don't, and you just come up and stop like that, or be doing, going back and forth as you're ending, once you get it covered, see, like I said, once I cover it now, as I'm covering it, I can do that. But once I get it covered, I want to go either one way. One way. But now I'm just covering it. I'll probably put these up top when I'm ready to paint. Put these up there. So, get it mixed up. Get my edges. Okay, now you see I have it covered. Got it good and covered. Got it into. See, what I could have done is I sanded down a little bit better right here. It's rougher right there than any other place. There we go. There you go. Okay, one more thing that I need to do for the cabinets before I put them on is I'm spray painting the knobs and the hinges using a regular 99-cent spray paint.
Alongside Stu McCann from CBSA. And Stu,
That right there is a regular spray paint.
Bit jealous
98 cents at Walmart.
Of a certain coach, Nick Saban. Now, not jealous when it comes to the football side of it. I mean, I'm no coach. I won't have any crystal trophies near me anytime soon. But Nick Saban today, probably right now, is doing something that, well, I'm a little jealous of.
And he's not alone.
And he's not alone. there are 15 other coaches along with Nick for a total of 16 that are taking part in the Chick-fil-A Bowl Challenge. Not football. It's not a it's not a game of chess. They're playing golf.
Doesn't that just embrace the stereotype? You think of coach, what do you think of the coach doing if he's not coaching? Playing golf. That's one of the popular things. That's the stereotype right there. So, hey, you want a coach to come out and...
Hey, and how are you? Okay. Today, I finished up my cabinets, and I put my finishing touches and everything on it. I re-hung my cabinets here, and let you take a look at it. Look pretty good, don't it? I like it myself. For old cabinets that what did I do? I peeled got the old paint off of it, scraped the old paint off of it, stripped the old paint. That's the word I'm looking for. That old red, and put this, what this color is called hairline. Took each individual knob off and repainted and put it back on, and the results are pretty nice. I like the results.